This is just going to be a short video about how I grow our Mysore raspberry plant in Sarasota, Florida. So I just put 4 metal fencing posts. They're the posts that you can put wire on, and they're around the plant. The plant's planted in the middle of the 4 posts, and then I string wire around in a circle. It's best to have them like one at the bottom, one in the middle, and one at the top. And then the canes just grow out over the top, and you can prune as needed. But it just makes it much easier because your feet and ankles and things don't run into any of the thorns on the plant. And then with our Mysore raspberry, what I do is I go through and I prune off the dead wood. So I haven't pruned this one yet, but it's nice because you can see any canes that are brown, I will prune to the ground. The white canes are the newer canes, and those are the ones that are going to get fruit on them. So that's it. They're pretty easy to grow. The fruit is delicious if you let it get all the way black. And they are the only raspberry that I know of that grows in South Florida. Thanks a lot. Bye.